Here's a 2015 Ram 1500 Crew Cab. Only 39,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in silver. Nice bighorn trim here. Really looks sharp, silver over chrome. Going to kind of walk the truck, show you some of the options and highlights you get with the bighorn package in 2015. Starts up front. See the chrome lower bumper portion as well as the chrome classic Dodge crosshair grille with the chrome inserted louvers behind. You can see black tow hooks and your halogen headlamps and fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. Coming around to the side, you get the upgraded 5-spoke chrome wheel, 20 inches. Brand new tires, we just put them on here. You also can see brand new brakes and rotors. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. You can see Bighorn package gives you the 5-inch chrome door-to-door running boards as well. Also gives you the chrome door handles. This particular truck is equipped with the trailer tow mirrors, and they have the chrome mirror cap covers with the signal lights in them. So you get, it's kind of odd to see them with the tow mirrors, but it's really nice to have if you plan on having anything behind the truck. Looking in through the passenger side front seat, two-tone cloth interior gray, 2 bucket seats with console in between with an automatic dial shifter. Good looking interior, clean though. You can see the two-tone throughout. We do have 2 glove boxes here. You have a little spot up top. And then down below, you'll see we got the books. And then I want to show you this report that I spoke of, but primarily focusing on the wearables. You can see 12s on the front tires, 12s on the rear. We put them all brand new. 14s on the front and rear pads. Again, all brand new. So you will have to put no money into routine maintenance items. Also a new oil change for SPA inspection and air filter service. So completely went over this truck. Now, as we look in the back, you can see all kinds of leg, hip, and shoulder room on a crew cab. You do not have to worry about space. On the inside and on the back of that console, you can see you do have the air ducts as well as power supply. Help keep your rear occupants connected and comfortable. Standard box size here with the crew cab. We do have wheel well liners, but we don't have, I can't really show you through the wheel, but we don't have any oxidation issues on the frame or undercarriage. Just coming around to the back, you see the 4-wheel drive badging. Bighorn does give you the dual exhaust on the chrome rear bumper, and you can see the Bighorn badging there as well. You do also get the backup camera, class 3 tow hitch with integrated wiring. We got a nice soft tonneau cover on this particular truck, power sliding rear glass, drop-in bed liner, as you can see. So well accessorized. Coming around again, just show you all the brand new tires. Wheels are in good shape. And then looking through the back of the driver's side, but very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner seems to have been a non-smoker. There's no foul odors there. And looking through the driver's side, you can see full power seat, including lumbar on the driver's side. Also have your classic positioning of your locks, windows, and mirrors located right on the side. Headlamp controls are right there. Automatic headlamp control, push button for fogs. This is your cargo and your dimmer for your interiors. Let's go ahead and hop in here. The real star of this truck is the miles. I mean, a 15 with only 39,000 miles, super low miles for the year. Let's also show you the Carfax report here. See, no accidents or damage, 6 service records, perfect Carfax report. And there you see, only, zoom in a little bit, 39,590 miles at the time of this video. So on a 15 model, excellent mileage. Wiper controls, high beams, turn signals on the left stem. Does have Bluetooth. This is for your customizable center display. We also got the ability to select any gears. You can plus or minus it here, so any gears of the multi-speed transmission and your cruise control on the right side of the wheel. Like I say, dial shifter with push button transfer case 4-wheel drive activation. Standard AM FM satellite radio. It is equipped with the backup camera, as I said before. This is your climate control, and you can see it does have the trailer package with the brake controller, factory brake controller integrated, and obviously the tow mirrors, as I showed you. You do have the ability to shut off your traction control and put the transmission in tow haul mode. In the center console, we got a power supply down here. In the flip-up center console, we have another power supply, USB and auxiliary. Nice little area, change tray to keep some items. This is the button for your power rear slider. It does have the universal home link. Visors are mirrored and illuminated, at least on the driver's side. Let's check out the passenger. Yep, same deal applies. So very well equipped. You get a nice little package options here on the Bighorn. The other thing I just want to show you, we promised you 2 sets of keys here. It does have the integrated keyless entry on the fob. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the engine. As the badging will tell you, it has a HEMI in it, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. So you can just see how clean it is, very well maintained. I mean, it looks like a brand new engine in there, obviously only 39,000 miles, but really good looking engine bay and seems to have been well cared for. So just to recap here before we get into the next portion of the video, we put all new brakes and tires all the way around, rotors included on this truck. It's a 1 owner with no accidents. It's a 15 model with only 39,000 miles with the Bighorn package, giving you a lot of interior features and capabilities above and beyond the standard SLT or Tradesman or Express. Now we're just going to kind of walk the car. I'm going to show you any minor imperfections. Really, the truck seems clean. I mean, we're going to have a couple stone chips like this one. The worst of the damage is actually on this driver's door. We have a little scratch, damage to paint slightly. We buffed it out as best as we can. But that really, when I was walking around the truck, is absolutely the worst of the damage. A little scratch there on the driver's door, a little chip up top. Other than that, the only thing I found, a couple little scuffs, like, you know, that one and that one. On the bedside here, a couple little stone chips like I've showed you. A little stone chip right there. A couple little scratches back here on the corner. Typically on your trucks, the bedsides, tailgates are where you're going to find a little bit of damage. Obviously, people loading things in and out of the truck, and you know, that's what we got here. You know, some scratches, a little scratch on the tail light lens, a couple little scratches down there. You can see no dents or dings on the chrome bumper. Little scuff down here. And this stuff is to be expected on a 15 model, but really, other than the few things that I pointed out, it is in very good shape. Little chip down there in the passenger side front door, as well as a little one down there below the Ram emblems. A few little chips here on the fender. Little scratch here on the painted portion, a couple little stone chips there. You can see them. You can get that on any vehicle. A couple more little stone chips there. And then on the hood, we got a few as well. Just quickly point those out as we pan across. But all in all, guys, like I say, great combination of years, mileage, equipment, capability. And like I said, we've completely went over this to make it as light new as possible. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call, area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. And of course, you can shop 24/7 online, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.